Sir. Hello.
Okay,
Right,
clear.
చెప్పండి సార్.
Hello, our session third level 2 manipulating data. So manipulation means handle or control the data, and data means nothing but information. Data is different types are there. One of the type is numeric data type. For example, numeric data means integers and numbers, decimal numbers, etc. And the next one is alphanumeric data. Alphanumeric data means memos, text. And the next type is binary data type, like that images, sounds, and other variable types are there in the data types. What is manipulation data? Manipulation data means in a database you can define the structure of the data and manipulate the data using some commands. That means if you want to structure up the data, you can define, and you want to edit the data, you can manipulate the data using by some commands only. So what is database? Sir, clear sir, ఇనిపిస్తుందా?
Okay, clear answer.
Okay, what is database? A database is an organized collection of data. Suppose if you own a stationery shop, you need to keep details records of the materials. What are the available in your shop? For example, what are the materials you have? You should keep the details of the records, that is called the database. And you also need to store information about pricings and stock levels of records and old stocks, etc. So this is the database. And you in the database you would use database programs such as Microsoft Access, Open Office, Organized Base, and MySQL. SQL means structured query language. These are three are the programs of database management system, right? There are two types of languages in database. Those are DDL and second one is DML. DDL means data definition language or data description language, and second of the type is DML, data manipulation language. So both are the data management languages. What is DDL? A data definition language is a standard for commands that define the different structures in the database. That means you want to change the structure of the database used by some commands only in the DDL, data definition language. So that is the called the data definition language, right? And next type is DDL. DDL means and DDL commands. What are the commands of DDL? The first command is create, and next command is modify, and third one is remove. And these three commands of the DDL, data definition language. In the database, objects means nothing but records, fields, data, right? Records means nothing but rows. Fields means columns. Number of columns is called the fields. So you know already it's containing number of columns and rows is called the table. And you know, modify command is it is used to modify the structure of the table, and that means change the rows and columns. And the next third command is remove.